Hi, this is Terry from Boatshed Eastbourne. I'd like to show you the exterior of this Sealine S23. Just position myself on the pontoon. Just going to show you the canopy starting at the stern. I'll have to show you in parts because I'm on the finger pontoon. Through to the window. I'll just show you the back view from the pontoon. Taking down to the waterline. Following through on the deck level, there are more individual photos on the listing. Just coming around the bow area. Back to the other side. This is Terry Marshall from Boatshed Eastbourne. Thank you for watching.